So we try to understand the needs and demands of our members, how technology can be useful for our members in their trades, in their lives, in their livelihood.
And the indicators in the Poverty Stoplight tool align very closely with the 11 question yardstick of Seva, and therefore we use the Poverty Stoplight tool to see our progress on at what extent, up to what extent has Seva been able to empower its women, its members, reduce poverty, reduce issues and challenges faced by the women, both economical as well as non-economical.
So working with Poverty Stoplight, definitely it captures the indicators which can help to understand the current challenges or difficulties in our members' life, and how collectively or individually they can improve in those indicators and come into green.
The tool is very thoughtfully designed, and it helps us in identifying what are the areas where our members are still, there is a need for Seva to focus on women's empowerment.
Because my experience working with Seva, I've seen that when women come together, when they organize, they are able to understand each other's challenges and support each other in overcoming those challenges. So we believe a lot in sister to sister learning and knowledge sharing. So I would like to definitely we would like to send a message to our members in Paraguay, and I want to say that organizing is the key. If you come together, you will be able to build your collective strength, and you will be able to overcome all the challenges in life.
With Poverty Stoplight, like definitely it is a very useful tool to measure the improvements and the situation of our members, and how can we integrate it with the overall Seva app.
તો ખરેખર આ યુથ જે પોવર્ટી સ્ટોપલાઇટની જે એપ જે છે એ વાપરીને સભ્યોની પરિસ્થિતિ જાણી અને એમાં આપણે એમને કેવી રીતે મદદરૂપ થઈ અને એમને જે સેવાનો ધ્યેય છે એના સુધી લઈ જઈએ એના માટે અમને બહુ યુઝફુલ રહી.
Sister to sister learning and knowledge sharing is one of the most powerful tools that Seva has experienced, and therefore we would like to invite sisters from Paraguay to visit us at Seva and see how our sisters are coming together, organizing and enabling full employment and self-reliance. And we would also like to learn from you how you are taking forward the steps towards women's economic empowerment.
અને ક્યાંક સેવા અને પેરાગ્વે સાથે રહી એમના જે સભ્યો છે કેવી રીતે આપણે આગળ વધી શકીએ એવી મારી ઈચ્છા ખરી અને શુભેચ્છા.